The second quarter, on the top right corner, shows permanently the spreading settings of the tailboard or the header tilt and position. You can toggle between the two main views by clicking on the icon in the center of the quarter. Starting from the straw spreader info, you will see the spreading coverage map. The yellow area in the boxes represents the actual spreading width of the machine. To adjust the spreading coverage, click on one of the two boxes that represents the machine sides. Click on the side you want to adjust on the terminal screen and set the spreading using the scroll wheel on the terminal keypad. The central icon between the boxes is the mirroring function. Click on that to mirror your chosen spreading position from a side to the other. The only common information between the two views is the hydraulic header pitch control and position when equipped. In the bottom of the quarter, you can engage the hydraulic pitch adjustment function by clicking on the icon. This function will allow you to increase or decrease the inclination angle of your header. Once you have activated the function, use the reel setting buttons on the joystick as if you were to move the reel forward or backward to set your cutting angle.